Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your Nvidia graphics card as the default graphics card on your Windows 11, because if you're not using the Nvidia graphics card as default, then you're missing a lot of performance. So first of all, you just need to open the Nvidia control panel. So search for Nvidia control panel and open this. And after opening the Nvidia control panel, you can see the adjust image settings with preview. Make sure that you're using the use the advanced 3D image settings. If you have this, let the 3D application decide. Choose the use the advanced 3D image settings and click apply. And after that, go to the manage 3D settings. And here, as you can see, I have already using the high performance Nvidia processor. You can see there's the option of auto select. If you have auto select like this, choose the high performance Nvidia processor and click apply. And the last settings, go to the set PhysX configuration, and you can see I have already using the Nvidia GeForce for my PC. If you have this auto selected, choose the Nvidia graphics card and click apply. And the last settings that I will show you, that if you want to use a specific app for the graphics card, go to the search bar and search for graphics settings. Open the graphics settings. Then here you will find the application that you are using for your Nvidia graphics card. Like specifically, I need to use my games to use the graphics card. So you can see there's add Microsoft Store app. This will show you all the Microsoft Store apps that if you want to use any Microsoft Store apps to use the graphics card. And for add desktop app, just click on this. And now you need to add the application. I'm just going to go to the desktop and then go to the settings, click on add desktop app, and paste the path here. And as you can see, here's the CapCut, and just add. And now if I go down, you can see this is the CapCut application is added here. Now click on this drop down menu. Now choose this, let's Windows decide. Now you can see here's the high performance Nvidia graphics card. Select this. And now every time I'm going to use CapCut, it will use my Nvidia graphics cards. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.